I don't see. Is there?
You got the top, I think, kind of. There it is.
All free.
Boom. He's thinking, man, maybe we could charge like a dime or a quarter per try, so they can try to get the candy out.
I might get it. Yes.
You gotta lift it up now. Oh.
Go again.
It gives you several tries.
Oh,
Oh man, that's so close.
go. The time's running out. Go.
Oh, you got time's running out. Uh-oh.
This is actually a great idea for Flash for management too.
Yeah, it could've
Oh,
been.
yes. I won. I got
Oh, snap. Oh.
Aww. Yeah, see if you can get it. What? There you go. Oh, no fair. I gave you that.
Hurry up before it drops.
Oh, no.
Oh, you gotta lift it up higher.
You have to. I can't. No, you just have to turn it and go in.
Whoa.
He got it. He got it.
Dude, all right.
And
Dude, I'm thinking a reasonable price is like a quarter. Seriously, that's not bad.
this is easy to get. Definitely have that
It
one.
gives you multiple tries too.
Yep.
Like seriously, you want to make your money back in a decent amount of time, you know? Just thinking.
Fine. Go down. There we go. I got one.
It's pretty cool, man. Woo! I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty cool.
It is cool. It's really my thought. It's time for us to go. I'm gonna get in the car.
Let me try one more.
You can.
Try one more.
Let your friends try today.
Now I'm gonna eat this. This is my lunch. I get this one. Yes. No. Look, you already have one for lunch. You don't need another. Oh, you had that. Come on. Open it.
Snap.
Alright, you got two.
Snap, dude. That's what I'm talking about right there. Bam.
We're not using this now.
Yeah, anybody? No? No high five? Let's see. Come on. Good job, man. All right, guys. What do you guys think? Is that pretty cool? Should we go ahead and share this with the YouTube community? All right, guys. Hey, so we'll give updates later. We're gonna share this on the YouTube channel, okay? Yeah?
Yeah.
Sounds good? Awesome. Love you guys. Love you, honey.
Love you.
All right. See you guys later.
Meow,
You guys want to say goodbye? Bye. Bye, guys.